back to my channel. I just thought I would record a weekend in my life. It is the start of my weekend. It's Friday, just a little bit after 5. I'm still in my office, but I have some fun things planned for this weekend, but also kind of a relaxing weekend. So I just thought I should take you with me along. So right now I'm actually gonna be studying for the GRE for a little bit. And then I'm going to go meet up with some friends, and then I'll probably be going home and going to sleep. I have a brunch tomorrow at my friend's home, and then afterwards I think I'm gonna go do something fun with Jake. It's so easy for me to just go back to my apartment and relax all day on the weekends, but I always regret it a little bit if I don't go out and do things. So I'm gonna do my best to do that. And then Sunday I am volunteering a little bit, but hopefully I'll get something fun happening then. But yeah, just thought I'd bring you along on my weekend in DC. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm just home after my work day, and I just got to see some of my good friends, and then I had leftovers at home, but Jake just got home, so we're gonna play some mahjong, and yeah, it's the game that is in Crazy Rich Asians at the end. That's how people know it as. But yeah, we learned how to play, and now we play it once in a while. I'm not very good, but yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. Doing the mixing. I'm winning.
He does all his businesses, but he runs a carpenter business, and that's how he gets contracts. From nice people pine, and they go, oh.
So
yeah, don't worry, the vinegar goes right.
So, just another part of my weekend. We're just prepping for our brunch tomorrow. Just doing some roasted cauliflower. We have this really big carrot. It's really big. I don't know why. And yeah, it's gonna be really nice, and I'm gonna be cooking all of it. Kidding.
Okay. So she just messes that now.
I made this ugly salad. And heating up a tomato. Hello, so we are hosting a brunch with some friends, and we are just cooking right now. We made this carrot thing, and we're making Spanish tortilla, so that's gonna be really good. And then we're also gonna make empanadas from hand, and so Jake's cooking the chicken right now, as you can see there. But yeah, it's gonna be really good. We're really excited to have people over and cook for them and host them. I'm not much of a cook, but Jake is, and so I help. And then we also have this really big carrot.
Browning.
That's
So I want a microwave.
okay.
So if you could grab a plate, please.
Yeah. Just want to record. Yeah, right now. So we have our chicken here, and we're just putting some Wisconsin cheddar in them. I made the ugliest ones, and Jake's amazing as usual. Check that out. Got a surprise. It's Jake's employment authorization document. So we are really excited right now. Jake and I are cooking, and he's really excited because I helped him more than I usually do. And also, his work authorization just came in. We've been waiting for it for like 7 months or something like that. And it's just the perfect morning. We got our immigration documents, and we're having empanadas. What can go wrong? Check that out. Also, excuse my janky hair.
Damn. I think boy did good.
Boy did good.
What she said. Look at this, beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Those empanadas look amazing.
They look really store bought.
Sorry, I'm recording for my YouTube channel.
Work.
Yeah. You're a working person.
So you can leave, you just can't come back.
Is that, who wants this piece?
It's a big old piece.
You want it?
That's a lot.
You gonna go for it?
I'll take it.
No.
Hey guys, so I just left my brunch. I'm gonna go head over to go volunteer. It's like a 15-20 minute walk to the metro, and then like a 15-20 minute ride to the location I'm volunteering at. But yeah, we just had brunch. It was a lot of fun. Jake and I did a lot of cooking this morning. He did most of it, but it was great. Anyway, this is my neighborhood. Can't really see much. Sorry it's shaking so much. But yeah, it's been a really good weekend. Just seeing a lot of friends, but also like a good amount of relaxing and taking it easy before the work week. And like I said earlier, Jake just got his employment authorization document, which is insane. We've been waiting for it for like 8 months. So he can go back to work, and that's gonna take off a lot of stress that we've both been experiencing. But anyway, it's just been a great day so far. I'll just tell you what I'm wearing. So this jacket, it's like super cute. It's like velvety, it's black. It's from Abercrombie & Fitch actually. I got it in June during their fall preview sale. And then this is a black sweater that Jake shrunk last winter on accident. And then some Nike leggings and my Tretorns. So nothing too wild. But yeah, it's just been a really great day and a great weekend. I feel like it's important to really just take it easy on the weekends. Not do too much, but also see friends that you're not able to see during the week. Working, like living and working as an adult, you are so focused on yourself and just like going to work, pumping out 8 to 10 hours a day, and then coming home and going to sleep. And you can really see that in a lot of YouTubers' videos. And it's interesting because I feel like a whole generation has grown up and they're now entering the workforce, and you're kind of seeing, or the younger viewers are kind of seeing for the first time what real life is like, adulting is like, and you're kind of experiencing it with all of us. I'm obviously new, but like, that's kind of what it feels like. Like, I'm new to all of this. Just figuring out health insurance. I just picked the best plan for me, which was like, I understood what I was doing for the first time ever. It's just like a cool experience to be able to watch on YouTube. I don't know. And it's great that there's like so many women on this platform, showing other women how to do life, I guess.